Growth doesn't always feel good. In fact, most of the time, it feels uncomfortable, heavy, confusing, painful. Because growth requires letting go of people, letting go of memories, letting go of versions of you that no longer fit the life you're becoming. Letting go isn't losing. Letting go isn't weakness. Letting go isn't quitting. Letting go is choosing peace over chaos. It's choosing freedom over attachment. It's choosing yourself over the things that keep breaking you. You can't grow while holding on to what's holding you back. Some people aren't meant to walk with you anymore. Some chapters aren't meant to continue. Some stories aren't meant to be rewritten. And that's okay. Close the chapter with grace. Say goodbye with peace. Release with love. Because every time you let go, you make space. Space for healing, space for peace, space for new beginnings. Growth begins where your fear ends. Your next chapter won't start until you release the old one. Let go, and watch yourself grow into someone you never imagined you could be.